Hello.
Hello.
I'm Alex Hooks. This is Mark Mann. We're complicated things. We can't do introductions, but that's okay, because today we are opening a new gift from Rotolight.
Whoa.
It's heavier than I expected. This is the Rotolight Titan X1. It is the smaller, more compact version of the Titan X2, which is like a broadcast studio, all-in-one studio lighting system. We don't know what's in this kit, so I'm really excited to get it opened up and see.
I did have the pleasure of using the X2s on set.
Can I open the box while you tell me this? I'm kind of excited.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
So I used the X2s on set in Sacramento for a pharmaceutical job. And we had probably the grumpiest gaffer in the state of California, who I love. His name's Dave Bungay. I'm going to give him a shout out. And he was very impressed with these lights. So if he was impressed, it's a really good sign. But this is a mini
He read
guy.
the manual.
He actually read the manual. I'm going to read the manual. No, I am. I'm going to read the manual.
No, don't lie to our viewers.
I am going to read the manual. But look at this case, man. It's got built-in wheels.
Yeah, look.
Look at that, built-in wheels.
Ooh. Let's see. I bet we're gonna have to stand it up to open it, though. No, we can do it just like that. So here's our ballast.
Oh, ballasty. That's a pretty big ballast.
It is.
Is that for V-mount? Is that for mounting?
I don't think it's for, yeah, it's definitely a mounting bracket. We'll see if they sent us, I don't know if it's just so you can stack these ballast, because that plate will definitely fit into this.
I see.
But maybe they gave us a plate so we can mount it onto a stand.
Look at that.
Oh, nice.
That is quality kit right here. Here is the instruction manual. I'm going to read this. Maybe not all of it, but certainly some of it.
I'm not going to read any of it. Let's see, how's that guy packed in?
Oh, it's going to come out. What's that?
Is that a V-mount charger? Is this, can we power this with two V-mounts? My guess is this is a V-mount charger, but I don't know.
Really?
Well, look, we got an AC plug-in. We obviously have dual V-mounts. Yeah, it's a dual V-mount charger.
Yeah. It says charger on it.
It does say charger with AC adapter. Did they give us lithium-ion V-mounts? Because that is a...
I got one of these.
Oh, that's a start.
Alex, there's a whole compartment under here. Secret compartment.
Goodness. What is down here? Another V-mount. Now, is this a ballast adapter?
Oh, that's the ballast adapter.
Good Lord.
Is that the ballast adapter?
I don't know. We're gonna have to read the manual. But you know what it looks like to me? Is it looks like this has the same kind of mounting spot like that J-clamp would, so you can put it straight into a super clamp and mount it.
What about this guy? This is a V-mount battery.
That's one of our V-mount batteries. No, man, they gave us a full travel kit.
Well, thank you.
That's what they did. Nice. They gave us a travel kit.
This is very nice.
This is very nice. That's not charged, is it?
You know what, Rotolight? Next time you send me a battery, can you just charge it? I mean, really? Ooh.
Yeah, ballast power.
Ballast power. So.
Awesome.
I have no idea what's going on with this. This is
there's a super clamp mount for the proper ballast, and that's
that goes on.
That goes on to this plate right here, and that plate that's on there, like I suspected, matches this. So we can actually stack these lights as well. No, so we can put this on here and then stack another one onto this plate.
Maybe. We have to read the instructions. And there's more.
That's a keeper.
It's not so exciting.
Another V-mount.
Another V-mount.
Yeah.
All right, there's something in a box here which I'm quite excited about.
What is it? Oh, it's just super
That's so
clamp.
useful.
Yeah, look at this. So just a second ago, I was talking about how this piece right here has a pin that looks just like a classic Manfrotto J-hook. And my assumption is so that you could put it straight onto a super clamp, and they actually included the super clamp. You don't even need your own super clamps.
Comes with the super clamp.
What is that? What's that little thing for?
That goes in the super clamp thing. You know that little thing that goes in the
Oh,
super
so
clamp?
it actually goes into the pins.
Yeah, when you buy, Alex has obviously never bought a new super clamp, but when you buy a new super
What do you
clamp,
say? Where do you think all my super clamps came from?
Alex has a large collection of super clamps, and we're gonna have to do a little research into where he got them because he's obviously never bought one.
These are the things that we definitely did get in the box. We got our Titan X1.
Yeah, look at the back of it. The back of it is gorgeous.
This thing is awesome. So
Well, we don't know it is, but we're hoping it's good.
well, we hope it performs as well as it looks.
Stunning.
So we have our actual light, our Titan X1. We have what I'm almost 100% sure is going to be our AC ballast. We have our ballast for the two V-mounts, which comes with the super clamp.
Oh, wait. So what you do, you put the V-mount batteries on this, and then out from there into there.
Yeah. This is
So it's a ballast for V-mounts.
yeah, that's exactly what this is.
Okay, sorry.
So that we can work without power. We have our ballast cables. We have our charger for our V-mount batteries. We have a plate with a super clamp right here to mount to our ballast. They gave us the V-mount batteries, which we are super excited about, but we have a little bit bigger ones we might end up using. And then we have a very basic rudimentary set of barn doors to go on this light.
All right, I'm gonna turn the power on.
Whoa. It open turns onto red. That's
Whoa.
oh shit.
Look at that.
Primary. Wait, you can put hex values into this?
Yeah, you can do anything you want. You have every color that you can think of, apparently. Now, we have no idea what we're doing. I am going to read the instructions. Here we are. We've got it on. We've got it powered. Initial reaction is absolute wow. So we're literally really going to spend some time working out what it does and what it doesn't do. We're going to do a beautiful photo shoot with it. Whoa!
Sorry.
To see what it does, and we'll tell you that on the next part of the episode. But my
color?
My initial reaction is wow. Super exciting, guys. Can't wait to play with this.